staying in Airbnb rooms. They are homely vibes, just hits different. What about you? Do you prefer hotels or Airbnb?
Totally Airbnb. It is a whole different level of comfort. Though I always wonder, how did they come up with such a fantastic idea?
Back when Airbnb started, there are lots of hotels around them. But they have managed to carve out a unique niche by providing them personal and authentic experiences. That is a big part why they are so successful.
Kind of like what happened with Mama Earth. When they began, there were tons of childcare products available, but the founder, Ghazal Alag, could not find toxin-free baby care product for her son. That is when she found market gap.
And look at them now. They have expanded into personal care sector by maintaining the commitment toxin-free products.
It is all about finding that unique positioning of your brand. If you do it right, you not only attract the right customers, but also set the stage for scaling up your brand.
Interested in learning how to identify market gaps? Join SkilliZee today.